Hi all, welcome back to DS Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am here with my Reverie box. I have not opened the box. So this is how the packaging. Oh my god, I'm in love with this box, and Reverie box has completed their 6 months successfully. I congratulate them and I wish them many more years ahead of the same success and good customer service what they have been providing. For people who don't know what is Reverie box is a subscription box with all full size products. You don't get any sample size products, so you can full-fledgedly use this, and all are 100% natural and chemical free, paraben free. And this month the packaging is so nice, it is so pretty. And they also have the little card here which says, "To Divya, thank you for all the love shown to us. Hope you enjoy this month's pamper box, Earth and Care." So I'm so excited for this. Without further ado, let's just start this. This is the box which we get, and let me just open this. Oh wow, they have a card. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god, I see something here with a bowl. That's so cute. Okay, so I'll just go from the first product I have. This is from Bio Bloom bath scrub. That's how it is. So that's nice, and this is retail for 149 rupees. Handmade body, loofah kind of thing, vetiver. This is so nice. So that's my first product I have. The next one I see is very sweet and tiny and cute. Soap Square. This is a red rose with shea butter, herbal and handcrafted soap. This is their rose and shea butter soap. It smells like rose and shea butter. Which one I have is, in this box they actually have given an option to select one of your choice of product, and I've selected this roots and herb toner, purifying rosemary toner. It's chemical free, SLS free, it's sulfate free, silicone free, alcohol free, animal testing free, petroleum products free. So I think they actually have all those good things inside the toner. So that's my third product, and this is retail for 850 rupees. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's just cute and superb thought what they have come up with. It is a copper healing 100% pure copper bowl, retail for 250 rupees, and with a spoon to it, or spatula, whatever you call it. So there are so many good benefits of using copper. So this is a bowl, small bowl, wherein you can actually put your face packs which you want to use, and then mix it up and then use it. That's the next one I have. That's so cutie. And the next one I see is all wrapped up. Oh, this is made of mitti. It's a product from Varshavan, the Indian rainforest. This is mitti with herbal oils, and it also gives a direction. I think this is a face pack, so you can use it as a cleanser, as a mask, and it's actually made of pure and pristine blend of clays mined from the earth. It is actually has a scent of the air and soil after rain shower. I love the smell of soil after the rain. This is 50-gram product, retail for 900 rupees. Let me just open this pot, and it is all wrapped up inside. I'll not open this now, it will spill all over. So I love the packaging, guys. It's so cute. It's so like Indian. Hats off, guys, to have this packaging that's so nice and rare kind of packaging, because it's handmade. You can see the love and affection what they put on the packaging. That's so nice. And the next one I have in this is an apricot Junelli body oil. I have apricot Junelli face scrub, and I really love that, using that. And this is the body oil, and this is retail for 350 rupees, and I don't this is for 120 ml and retail for 350 rupees. So that's nice. That's the body oil. I love body oils, and it's really nice, a way of pampering yourself. So that's my next product. And I see something in this. Last one I see is something like this, and that's so nice. I see this is a cute little bunny, and it says "just for you." Oh my god, that's a surprise gift in 6 months. That is so nice, and these are handmade, guys. That is so pretty. I love the earrings, and it also makes sound. So let me see what they say. They say, "Thank you for all the love, Reverie box." Thank you, Reverie box. I should say thank you for the love you show us. You surprise us each month with different themes, and I just love this. It's handmade, and it says it's just for me. These are all the products I received in this month's box. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in this month's box. That's so nice. That's all guys what I have in this month's Reverie box. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you're not my subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that bell button beside the subscribe button so you can be updated on all the videos I upload on my channel. Thank you all. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.